Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to create curly fur on this bison painting. Before we even touch the bison, let's talk about the very first cheat code in acrylics. Paint your background first. Why? Two huge reasons. Number one, acrylics dry stupid fast. If you draw your bison first and then try to paint a smooth sky or forest or even a solid pink background around it, good luck. You'll be fighting dry edges and getting chunky, patchy nonsense. Number two, that scary white canvas is lying to your eyes. Once you knock it back with color, suddenly all of your other colors pop and look 10 times richer. Trust me, this one step saves so much frustration. Now normally, I'd slap my whole drawing on the canvas and go, but this bison's base color is really dark, so I'm doing a little ninja move. I've already drawn him out on tracing paper. I am only drawing the basic outline right now, then I'm going to flood the whole bison with a deep, rich brown. Let that dry, then I'll lay some drawing back down and transfer all the furry details on top of that dark base. That might sound overly complicated, but it's really the opposite. It simplifies everything. Little tricks like this turn a potential headache into smooth sailing. Time for fur. Painting bison fur can feel overwhelming. Like, do I mix the perfect color and figure out every curl at the same time? Nope, we're smarter than that. I grab titanium white thinned with a bit of water so that the paint flows smoothly, and I just block in the big light shapes of the fur. That's it. I'm not worried about color yet. The dark brown underneath automatically becomes my shadows. Boom, half the work is already done. And it's already looking furry. Are you enjoying this lesson? Do you want to follow along in real time, brushstroke by brushstroke? Head over to patreon.com/Lachri, where for as little as $6 a month, you get access to this and over 400 of my other long-form lessons. That's a lot of lessons for not a lot of dollars. Let me help you take your work to the next level. Now, the magic trick you've been waiting for, glazing. I take my browns, golds, and burnt umbers, even some pink and purples, thin them down with water until they're nice and sheer, and go over my surface with those translucent colors. The white highlights and dark shadows that I have already got on there still shine through, but now everything is tinted the perfect warm bison tone. It's like putting sunglasses on your painting. It instantly looks pro. Once the glaze is dry, we come back for the victory lap. Refining. This is my absolute favorite stage because it's easy and it makes the biggest difference. A few brighter highlights, a few deeper shadows, some scruffy texture with a small liner brush, and suddenly your bison looks like you could reach out and feel the fuzz. Every stroke feels like cheating, in the best possible way. Quick tip on the canvas choice, because this matters more than people think. I'm working on a Frederick's watercolor canvas pad that's taped to a drawing board. It is silky smooth. Stretched canvas often has a lot of texture. Think lots of rough hills and valleys in the weave. When you're painting fine fur or smooth blended backgrounds, the paint hits the hilltops and skips the valleys. Suddenly the white specks or whatever your previous color pops through and your painting looks unintentionally fuzzy or rough. This watercolor canvas, almost no texture. The paint goes exactly where I want it. Total control, way less fighting. Now for full transparency, I do some sponsored videos for Frederick's canvases. They are my absolute favorite, but this one I did by myself with my own dollars, link in the video description, because I do love it that much. If you do happen to have a canvas that has too much tooth, add 2 or 3 coats of gesso, letting it dry in between each layer, and then sand it with maybe a 320 or so grit sandpaper. By doing this, you can create your own canvas that has a nice smooth finish that will create this look much easier than it would have if you had left the canvas more textured. And don't forget, if you want to paint this with me brushstroke by brushstroke in real time, head over to patreon.com/Lachri, where you get this and over 400 other videos for as little as $6 a month. Don't wait to sign up because that price is going up soon. Let me help you take your work to the next level. You want more acrylic painting tips? Check out this video next.